Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel I do a lot of DIYs on how to care for your natural hair using natural product as well as protective hairstyles that can help you retain length. Let's dive into it without wasting much of your time. Today we are adding MSM powder to our hair routine. We have the fenugreek leaf, the mint leaf. We also have our rosemary leaf. This leaf I've dried it and this is how it looks like. And I have my castor oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have my bottle, my spray bottle, and a measuring spoon. And of course, you can use a bowl, a jug, or whatever you have. So I apply a very little amount of rosemary leaf. This is a dry leaf. You can as well do your research and know how you're going to use it. I add a bit of my fenugreek leaf, a bit of my mint leaf, and I'm going to add hot water into it to make a tea out of it. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm spraying it all over my hair, and all I'm going to do is just massage it and leave it for a while before I wash my hair. My hair is already like about 2 weeks old, and I need to like wash my scalp. My scalp is dirty, not actually my hair, so I just need to wash up the buildup. So what I'm doing is just applying it like I said and leave it for about 30 minutes before I wash my hair. And this is going to serve as a pre-poo as well. You have to massage. If you're doing it, make sure you massage your scalp and you leave it for the treatment to absorb properly to your scalp and to your hair. All right, friends, let's talk about a bit of MSM powder. MSM powder is form of organic sulfur which acts as a building block for the protein of the hair, which is keratin. It occurs naturally in fresh, unprocessed, and uncooked food, especially raw fish and meat. Normally, when you cook your food, a lot of MSM is lost due to heating and other processes. So the amount of MSM that we get through food is often inadequate. MSM as organic sulfur is much easier to absorb by our body than the mineral sulfur. Research has shown that it helps to make hair thicker and also ensure more shine. MSM as well increases the rate of growth of the hair. This powder can be added in any of your hair products like shampoo, condition, leave-in condition, depends on how you want to use it. Before you try it, make sure you carry out a research and look if it's going to benefit you, if you have deficiency or you don't have deficiency. Some people do take it as like a form of supplement. They add it to water and drink it, but for that you have to do your own proper research. Let me quickly say this: if you are still watching and you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave your comment down below, and I will get in touch through the comment section. I really appreciate you all. If you haven't followed me in other platforms like Facebook or YouTube, you can go ahead and follow your sis on Facebook on Natural Rose Candle, while on YouTube is still Natural Rose Candle. I really appreciate you all.